students, welcome back to Computer Applications classes of class 10. In a previous session, we have completed the 2 units, that is networking and cyber ethics. Today, with this session, we are going to start with HTML that carries 20 marks, which is a huge amount of the whole syllabus. So, let us see what is there in the syllabus of HTML. At first, we should know how to create and save the HTML document, then access it with the web browser, then the HTML tags, which includes HTML, head, title, body, their attributes, then inserting comments, okay, then paragraph, bold, italics, underline, unordered list, ordered list, list item, description list, that is DL, DT, DD, and their attributes like start type, UL type, then font tags, insert images, then HTML forms, and then how to embed the audio and video in HTML pages. Other than that, we also have how to create a table using HTML tags, then links, that is the hyperlinks, the internal and external linking, and then the CSS, the cascading style sheets. So these all are there in the HTML syllabus. So let us see what are the things that we are going to learn in this session. We will first see how to create the HTML document and access it, and then the basic HTML tags, which includes the HTML head, title, body, inserting comments, heading tag, paragraph tag, break line tag, horizontal rule tag, font tag. So please stay tuned. Now let us have an introduction of HTML first. So what we need to do? So with HTML, you can create your own website. And do you know who has first developed this? It was Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. Yes. So let us see what is the full form of HTML, or for what it stands. It is Hypertext Markup Language, and it is derived from a language that is SGML. The full form of SGML is Standard Graphics Markup Language, and future of HTML is XML, that is Extended Markup Language. Now, the HTML is not a programming language but a markup language. And why we are calling it as markup language? Because it is set of markup tags. So HTML uses markup tags to describe web pages. It is not a case sensitive language. That means you can write in uppercase as well as lowercase. And also the HTML documents contains the HTML tags. That's why we also call it as tagged language. Okay. Now let us see the HTML elements and tags. So any tag of HTML is always enclosed in angle brackets. These one, the angle brackets. And the HTML tags always comes in pairs, like HTML with opening tag and the closing tag. The start tag is also no, it is the opening tag, and the end tag is the closing tag. Okay. Moving to next, let us see the different steps, how to create the HTML, where to use it, and how to browse it. So at first we have to write the HTML code in a notepad or in any text writer, the text editor. Then save the file with .html or .htm extension. View the page in any web browser like Internet Explorer or Netscape Navigator or Google Chrome or anything. And the purpose of web browser, what is the purpose? Why do we require this web browser? To browse it is to read the HTML documents and display them as web pages. So this is very important. Now moving to next, let us see a basic code of HTML, or you can say the structure of HTML. It has started with the HTML, then head, and then title, then closed title tag. Now this closed title tag, so why do we use this title tag? Is to give the title of the web page. You can see over here, since I have written my first page as the title, so here you can see my first page as the title when we are browsing it. Okay, and then we will close the title tag. After that we will close the head tag. You can also close the head tag after body, but generally we forget to close it, so it's better close it just after the title tag only. And then we will have body tag. Inside the body tag you can have n number of tags to be used, and then after that at the end close the body tag and close the HTML. So when we will have this code, then when we will run it or browse it, then you will get this sort of web page, this one. I hope the structure is clear to you all. Now, what are the different types of HTML tags we have got? There are two different types. One is container element or container tag, and the next is empty element or empty tag. So container tags contains start tag and end tag. Okay, whereas empty tag contains just the start tag. There is no end tag or on tag or off tag. The start tag is also known as on tag, and the end tag is also known as off tag. Okay, so on and off tag. You can see the examples of container tag. It is HTML, or empty tag, it is BR. Now let us see what is HTML comments. HTML comment is actually used to insert comments so that we can understand that particular code or particular line is used for what. And these comments are always ignored by the browser. It is never displayed. Okay. And what is the syntax of the comment? This one. You can see this one. Like an angle bracket, then the exclamatory mark, then two hyphen, and then the particular title or the text, whatever you want to write as a comment. Now here see you in the example, like HTML, then body, I haven't written the title and all. The main focus is about this syntax or how to write the comment. So I am focusing on it. Suppose I want to use this one. Just see. So you have started the angle bracket, then the exclamatory mark, then hyphen, and then whatever you want to write, and then close it with again two hyphen, and then close the angle bracket. So this is basically the comment tag. So here also you can write like this. Okay, so when we will run it, just see, it has just got the plant trees, because H3 is actually a heading tag. We will learn in our coming slides. So it has just printed plant trees. It hasn't printed this one because this is the comment tag. I hope this is clear to you all. Moving to next, body tag. Now body tag is very important and crucial one. It defines the documents of the body, and the elements contains all the content of the HTML document, like heading, paragraph, images, hyperlinks, tables, frame, then your form, etc. Now let us see the attributes of body tag. First we have got BG color, which specifies the color of the background, and how we can write the code, like body, the rest we will write the same one, like we have written over here. Let me go to the page here, this one. This we will write HTML, head, title, okay, then whatever title you want to give to the page, head, till here the whole thing will be same. The change will be from here. Okay, now going to that slide. So BG color you have to just mention body BG color equal to whatever color you want to specify. I have written as red. You can give any other color. Okay, then we have got background. This background attribute is used to put any image as your background of that web page. So how you are going to do this? Suppose I have got an image in my computer or anywhere. What I will do, I will take it in the same folder where I am making my HTML page, or HTML means I am saving my notepad in .html extension. There I will take it. Suppose I have taken tulip.jpg. So I will write body background equal to under quotations the name of the file or name of the image and then the extension of that or the format of the image as .jpg. Now after that we have also got an attribute called text. Text is used to change the foreground color of the text, means the color of the text. Now let us see one piece of code like HTML head title, then head, body BG color green text. Now here I have missed one line, you can just identify. I am just telling you for your help. Like title, you have to write the title over here. Suppose I am writing BG color. Oops, sorry. And then close the title. Like this. And after that, we will close the head. Then we will start with body, BG color equal to green and text equal to white. And then global information channel I have written. So, when we will run that code, we will get this output. I hope this is clear to you all. And when we will use the background, suppose I want to use the background attribute of the body, what we will do, body background equal to tulips.jpg. Tulips is the image that I am using. So now when I am running this piece of code, then I will get this output. Here you can see what I have used the title as background image, right? So here I know it's not that visible. Here is the title of the web page. Okay. Now moving to next attribute, we have got link, which is the normal blue color, the link that we get on any web page. Then we have got v-link, that is basically purple, blue to purple, depends. And this v-link is also known as visited link. V stands for visited. And then a link, when you click on any link, then it changes, the color changes monetarily, okay, right, automatically. But when you go back, then you will see that that color has become red. So the default color of a link is red. You can change these colors of link, a link and v link. Okay. Now one more attribute we have got for body tag, that is margins, and this is not exactly the attribute but the category of that attribute. We have two sets of margins on a page, and that is basically top margin then left margin. We also have got right margin and bottom margin. You can see this piece of code. I have given the screenshot for your understanding. Like body, BG color, background, tulips, okay. So when I will run, what output I will get, that is for your thing. You have to run this piece of code and try at home. Now next tags, we have got text formatting tags. So under that we have got heading element. The heading tag has got 6 levels: H1, H2, H3, H4 and H5, 6. Okay, those 6 levels, so we also call it as a container tag because obviously it requires a closing tag. Now H1 is the largest heading and H6 gives the smallest heading. When I will run this code, suppose I have written H1 and then global info channel, H2 global info channel, like this. If I run it, then what output I am going to get? The result is like this. Just see. The first one, when it is H1, it is the highest one with larger size, and then gradually it is decreasing because the level is decreasing. Okay. Now moving to paragraph tag. Paragraph tag is used to divide the whole document of the web page into paragraphs, and it is used as P tag. So the paragraph, suppose you have written P, this is a paragraph P, this is another paragraph. So for whole lot of thing you have to first mention that same code like it has been mentioned over here. Over here you can see, if I just mention after this P and then writes anything and then close it like so, this will come as a separate paragraph. Okay. So here you can see, since there are two different paragraphs, you can see this is a paragraph, again the next paragraph, this is another paragraph, and there is one more tag called pre. This pre gives you a separate pre-formatted text. You can see the difference between the P tag and the pre tag, right? Now next we have got line break and horizontal line tag. So line break is also, that is BR, okay, BR tag. So BR tag is actually used to give next line, or you can say if you want to break the line, then without starting with a new paragraph you can directly use BR tag. Whereas HR defines a horizontal line. Suppose I want to draw a straight line in my web page like this, then that time I will be using this HR tag. And both of them are empty element. Okay. Like if we write like this, information channel and then HR, after that global information, then BR and channel, what output you are going to get? Just see, global information, then a HR, and then global information and channel. So from here till here, this could be inserted in any body. Suppose you will start writing HTML, then head, okay, like this, then title. I hope you are understanding. Then write anything about the title, whatever you want to display on the title, and then close the title. After that, close the head tag, okay, and then start with body. And inside the body, I'm just moving to this area. Inside the body, what you will write? You will write this portion, okay, and then close your body, close your HTML. Then if you run this program, then you will get this output. I hope this is clear to you all. Now next we have got font tag. Font tag is very interesting. It is used to format the size, face, color of a particular text. So basically font tag is having 3 different attributes. What are they? I hope now you have understood what are the different attributes of font tag. It is size. Let me take my pen. Okay, it is size, face and color. Okay, so these 3 attributes are there. The size could be 1 to 7, anything. It can be the value. from 1 to 7. And face is nothing but the handwriting. What type of font you want to have. And color, do you know? Any color that you want to specify to that particular text. Now let us see the code, how we need to write. So I will start with HTML, head, title, like fonts we have given the title, and then title close, and then close head, starting with body. Then just see font color green, size equal to 7, face equal to Arial. You do not have to put any comma or full stop between two different attributes. Okay. So in this way, and to give a line break, we have used the BR tag. You can see over here like this. So let us see what output we are going to get. This will be the output we are going to get. Okay. Suppose it is size 7, face Arial, and color equal to green. That's why the output is size 7 over here. Okay, and the more the size is decreased, then it is 6, 5. So the size of the font text is also decreasing. I hope this font tag is clear to all of you. With this, we are ending with the session of today. Next session, we will be having our rest of the tags. I hope the video was enjoying and fruitful. Practice as many as HTML tags. Whatever we have done today, practice them at home. Run the piece of codes, run the HTML codes. And if you have any doubt in any of the tags, please do contact me. I'll explain it again. Thank you.